Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to optimize your PC for gaming. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to follow just 3 steps. First, you have to go to your task manager. So, click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see Task Manager. You have to click on this. Now go to Startup Apps. You can disable your apps as you want. For disable this, you have to click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see option of Disable. You have to disable this. Now second step is go to your settings. Here you can see Gaming. Tap on it. Now you can see here Gaming mode. Now in this option, you just have to turn on this button to enable your gaming mode. And third option is you have to disable your background app permission. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on apps. Here you can see installed apps. You have to click on it. Now here you can see all of your apps. You just have to disable your background apps. For this, you have to search for Advanced Options. Then click on it. Here you can see Background Apps Permissions. You have to tap on this. Now you have to select Never. That's it. So this is how you can optimize your PC for gaming. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.